can actually hear it, Jesus. Yep, look at that. Look at that power. Woo! Jesus Christ. That is quite a terrifying sight. But that is awesome. Jesus. That is actually quite scary. Wow. So this is the River Porter, also known as the Porter Brook, but at the time it doesn't really look like a brook. Let's get a closer look at this waterfall down here. Now don't worry, because I'm not an idiot. Look at that. That is actually pretty cool. You could surf on that. This is the Brocker Bank culvert. After all this rain that's continuing, it seriously puts some speed on the brook. So this is what the Porter Brook looks like in rain, when it's really rained. This is the Porter Brook in flood. The reporter's looking fast today. There it goes down. I wouldn't like to get caught in that. I'm having to shout at the top of my voice because that is unbelievably loud. Look at that. You get caught in that, you're dead. That's it, you're dead. You will drown. This is why, again, when they say when it rains no drains, we're not kidding. Because this does go into some culverts. This water is on its way to Megatron. That water's on its way to Megatron. Here's another little weir. It stinks of sewer. So, if you've ever been to a river in flood, you'll notice it smells really bad. The reason why is because a lot of the CSOs, also known as combined sewer overflows, overflow in this time. A lot of the CSOs also actually get submerged under the water, so it basically just picks up sewage and brings it out with the river. So yeah, this is quite terrifying. I've never seen it. I've never seen this section of the river this bad. My phone's getting quite soaked, but good job it's a bit waterproof, innit? I think it's water resistant, but so yeah, this just shows. This is scary, very scary. Look at that. This is awesome. Won't be going over stepping stones today. Now, I think the reason why it's going over the stepping stones like that is because a lot of the stepping stones are blocked full of debris. So yeah, I'm not unblocking that one today. There's so much surface water. There's surface water everywhere, and it's not getting drained properly because a lot of the drains, when it's autumn and it floods, all these leaves get washed down into the drains and block them completely. Not hard to unblock them, don't get me wrong, because it is soft, but pain in the arse because it will keep on blocking over and over and over. Yeah, there's another section of river just up here, and I'll get back to you when we see it. Here's another little weir, little bit of a falls, and here's the brook. Now that you might be looking at that and thinking, oh, that doesn't look too deep. That's actually around waist thigh deep there. And when it's thigh deep and it's going that speed, you know there's a lot of water. Now I apologise for the terrible camera quality. I am using my phone. Let's have a bit of a change of heart. Look at this. This is normal speed pond water. Now, the water that sources this pond comes in from a little bit of this, and I thought this actually be a lot higher than usual, but not today. Might be a bit blocked, but we're not unblocking it. I do usually unblock these things, not in this weather. Here's another bit where the river usually looks quite tranquil. Yeah, huge difference. Now, I was saying the water from here feeds that pond. There it is. Down into a little culvert. I've actually had a look down there. I've not been in because it's actually unbelievably low. But this is just, wow, this is awesome, this. Oh wow, look at that! I see it come out the other side. Smells quite bad here. There it goes. Off down. I'm getting a strong scent of sewer. Obviously CSOs do feed this. Combined sewer overflows for those who don't know at home. But let me turn the camera back round here. Going to turn the camera back round for a second, just to face me. There is a tributary that joins up here. It smells like a sewer. Could be, might be a leaky one, I don't know, but I want to see what this is like in this type of, well, when the water's this high. So, yeah, there's another good bit here. Up to this misty tributary, but first I'm going to show you a mill. I think it's a mill, but it's a wheel where the water used to come out. Here's something else quite scary. It might be actually alright flow today. Oh, that is that's just pissing out. Not really unbelievable. Let's have a look at this tributary now. Let's see what it's like. Look at that, someone's football got in there. So obviously it's a culvert, but of what I don't know. It doesn't smell today. Usually it stinks. There it is. Oh, it does stink, yeah, I can smell it. Yeah, this is the state. It's like my phone's going all laggy because of the rain. Yep, smells like sewer. Sewer fresh. That's what you call it, sewer fresh. I think the river's getting higher. It's still getting a lot higher now, as I speak. Let's take another look at it. It is quite a straight section, so you can look straight up. Now if you showed me that and said, that's a brook, I wouldn't believe you. I would not believe you. Doesn't look like ducks are too happy today. I don't blame them. Pissing wet through, and the river is ablazing. Right, here's a quite spectacular waterfall, a proper weir. Now if you can see it, there's a mist coming out. And that mist is being caused because the water is hitting itself that hard, it's just causing this mist. Hey, let's take a look at this. I think this is a CSO, but let's take a look. Now it don't look as spectacular today because the river level's quite high. But the water coming out of that is black. Oh god, that stinks. Yeah, that's definitely a CSO. Now there's a penstock valve in that, which is basically a penstock valve. If you've ever gone on a walk next to a river and you see what looks like a big iron door, it's like a circle, that's a penstock valve. It basically makes it so the water don't come out the pipe with all the force. It hits a barrier and drops down, so it basically cushions it. But I don't see why they'd need to here. But anyway, it's coming out of a culvert there. Let's get a bit of a closer look. But yeah, that's one of the culverts. Not a long one, you can't, but it literally just goes under the road and you end up in someone's garden. So, and the guys asked me, "Oh, are you looking for something?" And I went, "What do you mean?" And I'm like, "Oh, you were in my garden in the river." And I'm like, "Oh, no, I was just exploring the culvert." Anyway, that's quite good to see that flowing. I've never seen it flow before, so quite chuffed about that. Since we just saw that sped up, let's take a little bit of a closer look, shall we? So that's a storm drain, and you can sort of see the two colours mixing. I could be a CSO, I don't really know, I'm not going to look. Well, that sped up quite a bit, and I think the river's got higher since we got here. Wow, some real power on that, isn't there? There. Let's stand there and see it. You can't really see it. Well, that's quite scary. Okay, we're at a different park. Don't know what this one's called, but this is more of an upstream section of the River Porter. Now, I've been in this culvert, I know what it's like. It's not long at all, but the entrance has quite a speed to it, so let's see what it's currently like. Oh, there it is. So there it goes into a culvert. Best angle I can get, really. I don't want to get too close, and I've been nettled now, so let's get out of here, because a bit scary to see that, really. I'm not going to be an idiot and get really close. Another little tributary we can look at. This is an unnamed brook, and I've looked in this culvert before. Oh god, took a wrong way out here. Anyway, my hair's soaking, but great. Take a quick look at this, see what this is like, this tributary. Now the tributary, there it is, just there. We'll get to over just so we can see it. Let's get a bit closer. Look at that. Quite some speed on that. Wow. That's going under this bridge. Through there. Bit of a story about this. About 2011, 2012, this was actually almost collapsing. There used to be some stairs there, and the water was leaking through it, and it was sort of like sinking into the ground. So, with worries that it were going to collapse, they took the stairs out, and yeah, you're right, duckies. Not good, is it today? Not at all. Anyway, this is the pond. Obviously would have been, it were used for a wheel, don't know what it's called. It probably says somewhere, but I'm more worried about the brooks today and the rivers. Pretty cool. Look at that. That's got some speed. Now really they should put a penstock on that, but I'm not the one who makes the rules. Right, what else is there here? There's a penstock here, I don't think it's in use anymore though. Penstock there, not in use anymore. It does lift, by the way, so don't know. We can actually see where it goes into a culvert a bit better. Look at that, that is scary. Apologies for the water on the lens, but it's quite hard to record when it's like this. But that's where it goes back underground. Only a short culvert, but it still goes underground. Oh. I'm a bit sick of being wet now, so I'm getting off now, going home to dry myself off. Absolutely soaked. Yeah, definitely worth a look. Now the river comes out just there. Again, it's private property. Anyway, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.